Very good morning, everyone. Welcome to RIAT Fairford, and welcome to the first of
So I've been going to RIAT for 14 years as a visitor. This is my first year as a volunteer, so this makes it my 15th RIAT. Definitely coming back next year. Can't ever come back as a visitor now. Loving it. I've always wanted to volunteer, and I didn't think I could without any aviation experience, and it just happens that I fell into a job in aviation. I've kind of got to experience everything. I've had some time with the engineering teams doing marshalling. I've been out with the asset operations and Follow Me, and out with the aerodrome manager as well, kind of doing patrols and seeing everything that's going on. So it's kind of being able to have the experience behind me so that I can make the jump. I'm here in air operations, so we're dealing with slots for the next day, accommodating the aircraft that are coming in, going out, displaying it, make sure everything runs to the schedule that it should, but it's all to kind of accommodate the show as it all should be running. I collect patches. Everyone kind of has a niche, whether it be pins, patches or coins. They'll be traded by the crew or you'll buy them from the crew. There's quite a lot of different patches around with different meanings and different symbolisms for different courses or squadrons, like I say, there's endless supplies of them. That's the Runway 25 special that I was given by my friends, and those guys produced so many cool patches. This one was a gift from the guys out at Cranwell. You can see the little prefect in there. They had an emergency diverting into my place of work, so I was given a patch as a thank you. And then the special edition Canadian patch, which is absolutely stunning with detail on this one. This one's done by Dynamic Vectors, who also did the special wrap on the F-16 this year, which looks incredible. I'm kind of hoping, because I've put a fair bit of work in, as we all have, to get more opportunities to work with the engineering team more or the asset operations team more next year. Because as great as it is being in here and getting to kind of monitor and manage everything, I have such a love for being hands-on and being out on the apron that it's like I want to kind of get more chance to do that as well.